In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the distributive property. But first, let's review expanded form because it's going to come in handy. 273. That 3 is in the ones column. The ones column is always furthest to the right. Then we have the tens column, and to the left of that is the hundreds column. That 2 is in the hundreds column, so it represents 200. That 7 represents 7 tens, or 70. And this 3 represents 3 ones, so simply 3. When we write in expanded form, we always add these addition symbols in between the numbers. Okay, let's talk distributive property. It will be helpful to you to write 28 in expanded form. This 2 represents 20, or 2 tens. That 8 represents 8. Remember your addition symbol. This 6 is simply 6. Okay, let's put parentheses around our expanded form. There's 1 and 2. Now that we have those, we can remove that multiplication sign and bring this 6 over. Whenever you see a number directly beside parentheses, it means you can multiply it by whatever is inside. So here's how the distributive property got its name. We're going to distribute the 6 to 20 and 8. So let's do that now. 6 times 20 plus 6 times 8, which gives us 120 plus 48 for a final product of 168. Let's do another example. I've already written 43 in expanded form for you. So let's put our parentheses around it and bring this 5 over. Let's rewrite it down below. Let's distribute that 5 out. 5 times 40 plus 5 times 3, which gives us 200 plus 15 for a final product of 215. Let's look at multiplying two-digit numbers times two-digit numbers. That 3 is 30, that 5 is 5. This 1 represents 10, and that 7 is 7. Let's multiply 30 times 10 plus 30 times 7 and 5 times 10 plus 5 times 7. That gives us 300, 210, 50, and 35. We'll add them together for a final product of 595. Let's do one final example. This 2 represents 20, and that 8 is 8. There's 28 in expanded form. That 3 is 30, this 6 is 6, and we'll add our parentheses. Now we can multiply 20 times 30 plus 20 times 6. Then 8 times 30 and 8 times 6, which gives us 600, 120, 240, and 48. We'll add them together for a final product of 1008. I hope this video helps you understand what the distributive property is and how to use it.